Alright, I gotta start my video over here. Samsung camera, for some reason, the video mode won't let me flip the screen. But that's okay. That's not what this is about. So, I contacted Green Mountain Grill because my igniter went out. I bought this Davy Crockett back in June for my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Haha. So, loving it. Absolutely. And all of a sudden, we are now, it's in September, but towards the end of August, right around the time of the fight night, I was going to cook some wings for some friends, and I came out here and noticed the igniter wasn't heating up. So, of course, that was a weekend, so that was a bust, but yeah, I did a workaround. I used a torch and get the pellets going. So we were able to cook after all, but no igniter. So right now, that would be, I can't do anything with it. So contacted Green Mountain Grill. Took a little bit. Had to send them an email in the end because they don't answer their phones. And with that, they finally sent me the new igniter. Here's the old one. I went out on YouTube and saw the Green Mountain Grill. He put some videos up support-wise to help you people get through the moment. And they sent me the new igniter. If you notice, first thing, the line is tremendously longer. Problem is, in the video, the guy made it look real easy to get these connectors hooked in. I can't really, you can barely see these wires. And if you notice, I can't get my hand in there to even reconnect this. So I'm wondering, now I'm going to have to disassemble the entire box over here in order to get this hooked up. So I don't know what's going on, but you know, their video is not correct, at least from my model. A little frustrated about that right now, which is why I'm making this video. So I will see what I can do with my arm, and if I can't get it, I got to disassemble the entire wood pellet box in order to get into here. I get in there, I can get to the wire, probably plug it up in 2 seconds, and I got to reassemble everything and then try it out. But you know, just understand that if your igniter goes out, it might not be as easy as they made it out to be to resolve. Hopefully it will be in the future, but right now for me, it sucks. So I'll catch up with y'all later. Alright, well, unless I got little baby hands, which I don't, I tried the good fight. Tried to grab that wire that's in there, and all you really have to do is just push it in, but the angle, it makes it near impossible. So that, I'm going to try one thing. I'm going to try some tweezers. Maybe that can help me. Pliers. If not, then I have to go ahead and disassemble that. Not happy. So I just pulled the board off, and control board, and now I'm disassembling the box here for removal. I tried the needle nose, and I felt like I was putting too much of a strain on it that I might actually destroy it, so I backed up off that idea. So another little note, there's a grate under here I didn't even know about. I don't know if you can see in there. See this? You can see my wrench under there. Well, on my control board, found a big old spider. It made a little nest. Nice. Things to think about. How am I gonna get in there?
It's still not working?
Oh, it's not that. Well, yeah, it's still not working. I'm just trying to figure out how I'm supposed to get in there. I got 4 bolts. Thermostat. Y'all didn't make this easy, did you? Alright. Let me keep digging. Okay. So, this is your thermostat. The little doodad right, yeah. This is to the pot. And what I did is I'm able to pull these wires and push them forward, which is giving me enough leeway here where I can hopefully connect it without having to disassemble this whole thing, which I really don't want to do. So let me connect these wires up. I did it. You got to take all this extra skirting, and after you connect the 2 rods up, or 2 inlines, and then you got this fire resistant or heat resistant rope, slide it over the ends, and then after that just push it back. That's what I'm going to do now. Don't need much, so that's pretty much all I need. I'm going to connect back up to these 2 ends here. I should be back in business. Let me start putting this back together. Alright, all the way back together again. Reassembled the pot, box. I'm turning this on, letting it run its course. Let's see, pellets coming out. So we see this. See if this igniter works. So stage 0, if I recall right, it's just getting the pellets in the auger, and then stage 2 should be the auger, if I'm not mistaken. So. Alright, stage 1. And I think I reached down there to get a couple pellets, and I think I felt the heat of the auger. So auger actually starts to heat up on stage 0, so don't think that it only starts to heat up on stage 1. I was like, okay, there's some heat down there, so I know this thing is gonna work. Was that some smoke? Did y'all see smoke? It's like we're all quiet. I can smell it, so that's a good sign. Oh, there's smoke, baby. Yeah, baby. Come on, baby. Give me that fire. I don't know why this is exciting. Are you excited? I'm going to say like the other guys in the other YouTube videos. Give me a thumbs up. Alright, got a working auger. Or working igniter. The auger does work. And waiting for the fan to kick on. And there it is. Oh, it's on amber. Definitely smoking. Stage 3. Let's see. I can actually see the igniter has now changed colors, so it is burning its way in. done. 84 degrees. But I haven't seen any fire. I see smoke. It's just a matter of time. See that red amber down there growing? Just waiting for it to catch. Lots of smoke because I'm burning my eyes, people. Whew. Whew. Gotta back up. Gotta back up, man. I'm smoking myself. Come on, ignite. There we go. We have ignition. Let me go ahead and get this cover back on. Back in business, people. Temperature's climbing. I ain't got no pellets in there. Took care of that. Still low. It's good to have my Davy Crockett back.